Natural gas gave a gap down today. It has dropped towards close to 3.4645 levels and is now staying at the same zone. Now, can we expect gas to recover here, or is it going to continue with the drop and move towards 3.4, the first support levels? Which position you should take in order to profit trading net gas today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, and trade as per the levels. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis on major global markets and commodities, be it crude oil, gold, silver, or indices. Now, let's have a look at the hourly chart. First is a major gap down observed in net gas here. This is a major gap here, which might get filled, if not today, possibly sometime soon. But right now, if you look at the movement, it might remain restrictive. We may see net gas struggling at around 3.5 levels, which is going to be a very, very stronger resistance zone. Look at the moving averages crossing over here for sell at 3.54. This suggests slight bearishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels looking upwards. MACD continuing with the bearish bias here, continuing to look downwards. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, symmetrical formation, lower highs, gap here. At the same time, one must not forget that right now gas is still giving higher lows here. Thus, it is going to be interesting for us to watch out for how NG behaves at around, because it has breached the channel. I will definitely watch out for 3.4, 3.35, 37 zone, how it behaves at around these levels. These are definitely greater support levels. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. It is still looking downwards. RSI is also dropped a bit. Coming to 3 hour. Now, on the 3 hour charts, after the drop, it is immediately got a support from 3.45. First greener candle, it is trying to give the second green candle. It may try to achieve 3.5 levels here. And beyond 3.5 is where slight bullishness towards 3.5 to 55 or 54. Now it can fill the gap, achieve the high at 3.55, and there we'll see how it behaves. If you notice, if you notice this, it is trying to give this bullish flag formation. The bottom here is a close to 3.4 levels. As long as 3.4 is respected, the bulls are having a chance here to bounce back strongly. Stochastic oversold. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 4. Now, likewise on the 4 hour charts, after the drop, a greener candle is seen, and it can give you a couple of more green candles. Try to take it till towards 3.5456 zone, which is a greater resistance, and then beyond that, more bullishness to prevail. But right now, it is aspiring to achieve or aspiring to fill the gap. Possibly, it may try to do so, but do not treat this as bullish as of now for today. RSI, MACD, and stochastic. So stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still looking downwards. RSI is almost staying flat here. Now coming to the daily charts. Firstly, on the daily charts, 20 period moving average sitting at around 3.4 makes it a very strong support zone. Now, after the drop here, it is just trying to fill the gap. The probability for it to fill the gap exists, but at the same time, there is a larger probability that it can reverse as well. So a swing cannot be denied. Thus, to enjoy these levels, we can initiate a buy and in fact try to initiate a sell at a later or higher stage as well. Stochastic is comfortable here. Now see, MACD is staying flat and it is willing to cross over for sell. And it is not that net gas cannot high or cannot achieve further highs, but right now it is having a little resistance, or right now it is trying to, or it is hesitating from breaking on the upside. RSI looking down here. In my weekly review and in my webinar, specifically in my live webinar, I have answered your queries related to natural gas movement here, and we have seen why there could be little retracement and why this is still a dip by the dip levels. So yes, if you want to get such insights, you can enroll for the webinar which we are going to conduct every week. The link is there in the channel and video description. And also, if you want to learn, see, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, let me share that first invest in learning, and this is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you'll find the details related to the here at my platform forexfunder.com. Here at the front page itself, you'll find the details related to the 27th batch, what and all, where it is going to start, what is the curriculum, what is the timings, and what you'll get at the services here. You can reserve your seats now by proceeding with the payment at the same tab. Also, you can join my next webinar on market next week insights. This is a tab here. You can just click here, proceed with the payment for the next webinar, which is going to be conducted in the coming Sunday. And remember, this platform has much more in offering for you, so that you need not go here and there to find different data, whether be it the economic calendar, where data across the globe is available, and the forecast actuals and historical data, everything is there. The markets, where you can find your favorite instrument, anything which is getting traded across the world is available here. You can search for your favorite instrument and do your own analysis. You can schedule a call with me, where if you are stuck into any position, you need my guidance or consultation, and if you want to make a informed decisions regarding any future predictions or analysis, you can book a call there. And the most important part is the availability of the discussion forums and the like-minded traders here. Yes, indulge in an enriching discussion with the like-minded traders and take your trading to the next level. Just visit the platform forexhonda.com. Now, see, considering this, NAT gas today though has given a gap down. There is a probability that it can try to fill the gap. We can buy here at 3.5 levels, but with the caution note that it is just trying to fill the gap and it is not reversing, and that is why 3.5 to 5456 levels are greater resistance zone. As long as 3.5456 is not breached today, the chances of a reversal will be very high. Beyond 3.56 is where the bulls will be taking over. You can look forward to 3.6, 3.65. And as I've mentioned several times, beyond 3.73 and 3.7, to close your eyes, stay long in net gas. We are going to look at 3.8 and $4 levels whenever it is going to achieve. Yes, it is it will be on the path of $4 levels at least, and beyond that 4.3, 4.4 levels will also be seen. But for the day, it appears little swings. Thus, you have to trade with extra caution as long as 3.56 is respected. On the downside, you can sell here at 3.46, or rather 3.44. Yes, you can initiate at 3.46, but 3.44 is the first support, and then 3.4 levels is the maximum support zone. It is only and only if prices stays below 3.4 levels is where slight bearishness towards 3.37 and 3.35 will be seen. If it stays below 3.35, it is almost certain that the bears will be taking over for 3.2 as well. Thus, take your trades accordingly. It may try to show you swings. Still, it may try to trade in range. Do not think it off as bearish as long as 3.4, 3.5 zone is 3.35 zone is respected. We have to not treat net gas as bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch signals channel, the webinar, and join the platform. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.